Hi, I'm Peter McGrath, owner of Bytown Better Bathtubs Showers here in Ottawa. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about renovating your bathtub or shower, and you might be wondering where to begin. Today, I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you more about what we do. I want to tell you why we do it and what truly sets us apart from others. At Bytown, our mission is simple: to transform outdated, worn-out bathrooms into beautiful, functional spaces safely, professionally, and without the stress. We believe every homeowner deserves a bathroom they love. It's the space where you start your day and often where you wind down at night. And yet, for too many people, the thought of renovating feels overwhelming, messy, expensive, and full of uncertainty. And that's precisely what we set out to change. From day one, we've been committed to real remodeling, not cover-ups. Every project starts with a full inspection, a proper rebuild, and the use of premium warrantied back material. Because when you renovate your bathroom, you deserve results that not only look amazing, but actually last. We know that bathroom renovations can be disruptive to your routine, but it doesn't have to be disruptive to your life. That's why we've built a process that's efficient. At Bytown, we don't juggle multiple jobs at once. We take on one client at a time, so you get our full attention from start to finish. That means your renovation stays on track, your concerns get heard, and your space receives the care it deserves. Our job isn't just installing a new tub or shower. Our job is to help you make informed decisions. We take the time to diagnose your situation, educate you on your options, and walk you through every possible solution that meets your needs and budget. And before we start any work, you'll know the price up front, clearly and confidently. No surprises, no confusion, just honest work and honest answers. We're proud to be Ottawa owned and operated. We live here, work here, and take pride in helping our neighbors turn their bathrooms into spaces they're proud of. You're not just a client to us, you're part of our community. So if you're ready to start your renovation or just exploring, let's take the next step together. Give us a call, visit our website, or take our bathroom renovation quiz to get an instant estimate. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more renovation tips, behind-the-scenes videos, or inspiration from our real projects across Ottawa. Thanks for watching. We're Bytown Better Baths and Showers, and we're here to make your bathroom better.